Hi friends, let me show you these new permanent outdoor lights. These are really nice for every home and you can install them permanently because they have different color schemes, so it's not only for one season. You can use them in Christmas, in autumn, in spring, in summer. You can install them and use them for any occasion, okay? Let me show you what you get inside the box. Of course, you get all the installation instructions. You have different ways to install them with these double-sided tapes, pads, screws if you have a wood base, and these anchors for the electric cable, okay? You also have a nice remote with all the color schemes, all the color setups, even the music setup, everything. You just have to get this plastic out and the battery is going to start working with your remote, okay? And let me show you the actual lights. You get this electric cord connection. So you can get as far as you need to the electric outlet and then to your lights string, okay? And look at the string, look at the lights. They already have one set of double-sided pads and see how nicely they are sealed. You see, they will withstand any kind of rain, snow, or even hot, okay? So let's install them in my house. Let's go.
Which I think that it's great because with the high strength adhesive, it can bond firmly into any kind of surface that we install it. And even the optional screws that are provided can offer a double stability that I think that it's perfect for long-term outdoors use. And I love them because they have a fully sealed waterproof coating and a crystal clear high-end shell, making it perfect for any kind of situation when you're placing it outside.
We installed already our lights and look how nice they look. You have the remote control, you have different modes to turn them on, like all of them in green or blue or yellow, all these colors, or different modes like this. You can see how you can play with them, have different options of colors and lighting sequences, okay? So if you want to have a nice light decoration in your home, in your office, anywhere, these lights are a great option.
Through the application, we are able to access many other different configurations, more particular ones that we can create ourselves. We can turn it on and off remotely, which I think that it's great. We don't need the remote control, and we can adjust them by selecting their own color and brightness, which I think that it's nice. You can do any kind of configuration that you want. You can just let it around and all the colors will completely change, or you can select individual lights. They can also work with music rhythm. It will follow the music, which I think that it's nice, or any kind of sound that it's in the ambient, which I think is nice. In any kind of party or situation like this, which I think that it's nice, it will reactivate to any kind of ambient sound. We can also place some kind of scenes that won't be upon the remote control, which I think that it's really nice. We can also adjust these kinds of configurations however we want.
You can even set them to turn on only white, and you can set it to turn off after 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. So you have different sequences, different modes, and a really nice and beautiful light decoration. Thank you so much.